I'm Emilia. I work at Lake Life Camp with Ginger and Jordan, and we're going to go on a little boat ride, and I'll test my boat skills.
Are you excited?
Yes.
And you just practice what?
Yoga.
And just what else to do on the land, right? Dry land stuff?
Yes.
Cool. How do you feel about it?
Good.
All right.
What's up, guys?
Go.
What's going on, guys? Lake Life Camp here. Out just enjoying an evening cruise and testing the boat out. Would love to have you guys be a part of camp, private lessons, boat rentals, just any water activities here that we can offer you on Lake Geneva, Delavan. We'd love for you guys to come join us.
Yep, and STP, stand-up paddleboards, and kayak rentals. Hi, I'm El Capitan Ginger, by the way. Are $25 an hour, $40 for two, $55 for three, and $100 for all day. So it's a pretty good deal, and you can do it anytime. You know, you have a hot day at work, you want to come after work, come on over to Delavan Lake or Lake Geneva. We'll accommodate you.